Hello there my wonderful friends on the internet. In this video we will learn about 3 commonly used built-in functions. Built-in functions are the functions that comes with Python. They don't require import statements to use them. In this video we are going to cover print, input and type. The print function helps you to log a message into the console. The input function helps you take the user's input. The type function will help you know the type of variable. There are more built-in functions in Python. We will learn them in a later video. Now let's use these functions and see them in action. I am going to declare variable called name and I am going to set that equal to the input function. In that function give a prompt to user. I will give mine as what is your name in double quotes to make it a string. Then I'm going to use something called as string concatenation to print the result. To concatenate a string, separate the strings with a comma. Now I will check the type of this variable by calling the type function and passing our variable inside that. We will print the type to the screen by checking type inside the print function. Now we will run the code to see if it is working. You could run your code by clicking the run button at the top. And I will type name as Asher, and voila! We have got our output. We got the type as a string. Now I will declare another prompt by duplicating our code above. To duplicate your code in VS Code, select the portion you want to duplicate and press Shift-Alt down arrow. Now change the variable name to age as shown in the video. Congratulations! You have learned 3 built-in functions. Thanks for watching. See you later.